Hello, my name is Sarah Rasiopi, and this is my classroom website. This website was made to keep children and parents involved in what happens in and outside the classroom. It provides information for children and what is expected of them, and also has information for the parents to keep up with what is happening in their child's classroom. What you see first in my website is the welcome page. This is just to introduce you to my classroom. It has a little welcome message and some pictures, supposed to be friendly and inviting. The first page is the About Me. It provides some personal information about me, the teacher, and just some facts just so you can get to know me. And next is the contact information. This is basic contact information and how you can best reach me. Provides email, phone number, school number, all the information you can use to contact me. So for the next tab, it is Students Corner. The first page is an introduction to what this tab will be and what is expected of this folder. The first folder, the first tab, is the daily schedule. This schedule just explains what the classroom day looks like throughout the day, and it also below that has the specials for the week and what days the specific specials are. Next is the assignments. These are assignments for the week. They will be updated every week, like a math worksheet or vocabulary list, and under that is this month's assignment, and it's geared towards social studies this month, and it just has all the information for the assignment. And lastly, in Students Corner is class materials, and this is just basically what materials are needed in our classroom for the year. Moving on, we have the Parents Corner. It's similar to the Students Corner, but this is geared towards parents and what's important for parents to know. First, we have the monthly newsletter. This is a newsletter that will be handed out in the classroom, but is online just in case you need it. It will be updated every month. This month is for April. It has important information and birthdays and contact information. And below is just a calendar layout. It just outlines the activities for each month and what is going on within the month. Next is important dates. These are important dates for parents to know as well as students, but the majority is for parents, like progress reports and when we have a break, and field trip information and all that. And next we have the How to Get Involved page. This page is for this specific month. If you want to get involved in a field trip to Alice State Farms, you can email me. And also we have Friday Friend, which is every Friday a parent comes to read a story to the class. And this below are the dates that parents have already booked, but there's one that is still open if you would like to be a part of that. And lastly, in Parents Corner is the FAQs. They're just some frequently asked questions that I've gotten, just some basic information that I've gotten throughout the years about my classroom and about all the information that have to do with my classroom. And the last tab is the More. More is just some extra information that you may need to know. Here, the first tab is the class project. Now, this month's project is for Earth Day, so it has the information of the first part where your child does one of the ways to help the earth and just writes a little bit about how it made them feel, and it has the date when it's due. And next is what we're going to be doing in class and what we're making in class, which this month is the handprint wreath. Next, we have some quick links. These links are just some educational websites that your child could use. We will be using them in the classroom as well, so if you just want your child to get used to them or just see what it's about, or you want to see what we're going to be using in classroom, this has all the links provided. And lastly is the school website. This is just information about the school and contact information about the school. And yeah, so thank you for viewing my classroom website, and I hope you come back to take a look at it.